my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're an oldie, you're also welcome. So guys, I am super excited. I am really excited. We are going to go and transform another space. So I'm just right now driving. I know it's not safe for me to be driving and talking, but I had to make a quick intro for you guys. So if you're new, you're welcome. Please hit the subscribe button if you're new and join my channel. And I'm going to be doing videos every week, like I said, on decorations, DIYs. So if you like things like that, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join my channel. Right now I'm just going to the event place, and I'm all packed up. I already dropped like a couple of things over there, so I came to get the rest. Started doing the decorations, but I forgot some of the things. As you can see, the back of my car is all packed up with flowers, and yeah, that's my life on Saturday mornings. So like I was saying, if you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. It's an exciting channel, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button. All right guys, so heading to the area, and right now that's how there's no traffic. I'm so happy. So all right guys, so talk to you guys later. So guys, this is the day before, and I went to the grocery store. I got my flowers, and I'm heading down to the house just to make the flower arrangement. Yeah, they are. They're in the bucket. I made a video on how I was able to make these flower arrangements. Please go ahead and check the video down in the link in the description if you want to see how I was able to make these flowers step by step. I kind of explain in that video on how you can like make centerpieces for your event or for your table or for whatever you want to use flowers for. I showed the easier method on how you can achieve it to look like this. It's very easy, so don't forget to check out the video. But if you want to see the details, don't forget to check the video. So these are my flowers. They're ready, and we are going to go ahead and head to the event. So we arrive at the event, guys. Here is the picture of the before. This is a basement, and we are going to be transforming this area and make it look beautiful and attractive and lovely. We are having a dinner party, so it's a 60-year-old dinner party, and all I have to do is transform this basement and make it look pretty. So the theme for this decoration was pink, white, and gold. So guys, if you want to see how I transform this beautiful looking basement, I'm going to leave the couch right there. So don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like the after picture of this transformation. So right now we just have our masquerade 60 huge gigantic letter 60 light, and these are like masquerade numbers. And I went ahead and I put the tables. I'm going to be using 4 tables, and my number is right there. Right now I'm going to go ahead and put my backdrop. So I really love these letters because it makes the party pop. Like, it's really huge. I think it's about 5 feet or 4. I think it's about my height, so that should be 5 feet, I believe. Yeah, because I'm 5'5". Anyway, so I went ahead and put my tablecloths. I'm going to put my center mirrors, and let's get decorating, guys.
So endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. Diving in to all this endless space. Falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. Hold my breath, looking up, light moves flows in waves that keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what.
So I went ahead and added some clear cheers or ghost cheers, some gold candles and pink candles, and also some gold fork and knives, and also gold cheers, as you can see, and some glasses, some wine glasses, guys. And this is how it's looking so far. I also added some candles at the centerpieces. As you can see, the candles are all lined up, and right now I'm just going to go ahead and put the plates. So what I do is I make sure that the plates align with the chairs. So that's what I'm doing right now, guys.
But letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. I know I'm floating on this dream, but soon comes morning. For now I'll embrace our wondrous sea. To all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you escape. A lovely star, letting go's the hardest part.
So guys, this was the before picture, if you quite remember how the basement looked like, and I'm going to reveal to you guys how the final look does look like right now. This is the after picture, guys. Are you super excited like I am? This came out really nice. I loved how everything just blended. Everything looks so classy and high-end and modern, and I really enjoyed decorating this event. As you can see, guys, it looks so classy, and this could be like a perfect small wedding idea. You can use this to make your home basement wedding. Like, you can have a wedding in your basement, guys. Just look at this. It looks so clean, chic, and modern, guys. Please leave a comment down below on what you think about this decoration. Did I do good? What do you think, guys? For me, I think it came out perfect. So let me know in the comment section what you think, how I did, and what you love about this event. What's your favorite part? What's your favorite decoration item on this event, guys? Please drop a comment down below. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So guys, let me show you guys a full tour of the final product.
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. embrace our wondrous sea. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. I'm diving in. Falling stars, a lovely start. Swimming in this deep, deep blue.
I hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos on DIYs. I'm going to try and incorporate some more DIYs and teachings, so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, guys, thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. Hold my breath, looking up.